Hello everybody, my name is Rain. Welcome back to my channel I Can Read, and thank you for subscribing to the I Can Read channel. February is Black History Month, and I hope you have a wonderful Black History Month and happy Black History Month. I have two special guests, Aurora and Chloe.
Before we start reading, please like and subscribe this video. The Rain Stomper by Addie Boswell, illustrated by Eric Velskis. On the first day of spring, Jazmin flipped out of bed. She twirled her baton. She swirled in her new red suit. Today was the day and her big parade. All the children on the block would join in. Dancers, drummers, cheerleaders, dogs. Jazmin could already hear the neighbors cheering up and the tap-tap-boo! Jazmin threw open her front door. Wind whistled through her hair. Thunder rumbled the ground. The sun guttled behind the clouds. The sky twisted into a thick black coil.
Slap, clatter, clatter, slap.
Rain poured down in buckets.
Boom, walla, boom, boom.
Thunder rattled the bricks in the walls.
Clink, clink, whoosh.
The wind plunged her family back into their bed. Even the weeds slunk back into the earth. Jazmin hated the rain. It ruined parades. It silenced the horns and the drums. It tripped up the dancers and the dogs. It soaked new red suits. Mud puddler, Jazmin muttered.
Tap, tippity, tap, tap.
Cloud clasher, she complained.
Clack, clickety, clack.
Parade wrecker, she rumbled.
Tap, rattle, rattle, tap. Boom, walla, boom, boom.
The rain roared.
Bang, walla, bang, bang.
The rain crashed.
Bang, walla, bang, bash.
The rain bellowed.
Boom, walla, boom, walla, walla, boom.
Jazmin stepped onto her stoop and lifted her baton and shook it.
Slap, clatter, clatter, slap.
Rain slapped against the sidewalk.
Boom, walla, boom.
Thunder rattled the windows.
Bang, walla, bang, bash.
Jazmin shook her fist. She stomped her feet.
Clatter, clatter, slap.
She kicked the rain down her steps.
Splish, splish, whack.
She splashed it down the sidewalk. She chased the rain into the street. I am Jazmin, the Rain Stomper, she yelled. Jazmin stomped and splashed and skipped and shouted until children peered from their doorways. Their feet tapped.
Kerplop, plop, plop.
Their hands clapped.
Kerplunk, plunk, plunk.
Splash some more, Rain Stomper, they shouted.
Splash higher, Rain Stomper, they yelled.
Stomp bigger, Jazmin. Jazmin splashed more and higher and bigger. She spun she shook, she even rat-a-tap-tapped. The sun peeked out and beamed, the puddles shimmied, the children cheered. More children poured out of their houses. They stomped and splashed and skipped and shouted. Then they drummed and whirled and flipped and twirled. Children flooded the streets, and even the weeds came out. And so it was that Jazmin, the Rain Stomper, and her parade of puddles splashers outstomped the rain.
Slap!